With so many supplements out there, where do you start? Taking supplements can vastly improve your life, alleviating pain, boosting energy, and aiding in many other ways. So in this video, I'm going to give you a crash course on how to get started. Think of it as Supplements 101. According to the Council for Responsible Nutrition, 68% of Americans take dietary supplements. That's over half the nation. They also say 78% of Americans agree that dietary supplements is a way to move toward a healthy lifestyle. So how can you move towards that healthier lifestyle and create a supplement plan that works for you? I'll explain how to choose your supplements, how to determine what your body needs, how to find safe options, and how to take supplements. And at the end of this video, I'll share a free Supplements 101 guide that will help you make the right decision for your health journey. When you begin to look into supplements for the first time, a bunch of questions might start popping into your mind. What do I need? What brands are the best options? Are these supplements going to be safe for me? Will it conflict with the medications I might be on? Are there any side effects? Questions can go on forever. Supplements must be taken seriously. Although multivitamins are a great source of nutrients for the average person, in all seriousness, there is no true one-size-fits-all. Everybody's biochemistry is different, everybody's absorption is different, and everybody might need different variations of vitamins, minerals, or herbs. So where do you begin? Let's break this into a three-step process. Step number one is to determine what your body needs. The best way is to get nutrients through food. High energetic, live, raw foods will provide a lot of the good vitamins and minerals your body needs. However, creating a diet that provides 100% of what you need is almost impossible. So tracking the foods you eat is one place to begin to reveal what your body is getting and what it's not getting. Another important factor to consider is your state of health, your age, your energy levels, any medical conditions that can greatly impact the type of supplements you may need. Someone who has osteoporosis should pay attention to calcium and vitamin D. Somebody with thyroid issues should pay attention to selenium and iodine. Medical conditions can also provide warnings against certain supplements. For example, someone taking blood thinners should avoid certain herbs and vitamin K. So although we just talked about some factors to consider on your own, it's valuable to do your own research, to look online, or even get a professional health consultant or doctor, naturopathic or chiropractor to help you along your journey. Not only that, what I recommend and what I've seen is the most successful way to kickstart your body is to cleanse the body first. Many times I've had patients or individuals that have come in with bags full of supplements they bought from the drugstores or the supermarkets. When you do that, you take all these supplements into your body, but you haven't cleansed your body or detoxified your body first, you might not be able to utilize these vitamins. Your body might not be able to break them down effectively. So I always recommend, before starting any supplement program, take 2 steps back and clean your gut, clean your intestines, clean your liver, clean all the harmful organisms out of your system, clean all the chemicals and heavy metals out of your system. Once your body is clean and functioning, then you're really going to be able to benefit and get the maximum use out of the supplements you choose. Now, step 2 is exploring your options. And that means when you're buying supplements to be cautious. Unfortunately, not all supplements are good and safe supplements, and some contain ingredients that aren't even listed on the label and can be toxic to your body. So how do you determine whether a brand is reliable? Well, you'll have to check the certifications and the ingredients very closely in the product. The one thing I usually look for is the Other Ingredients tab. I can tell if a supplement is good or bad almost instantaneously by looking at the other ingredients. If it has magnesium stearate, if it has silicon dioxide, If it has toxic fillers or binders or excipients, that would mean that the company most likely is not going above and beyond and looking to create a supplement product with 100% safe ingredients in it. So, another thing I recommend, go to the company. Are they a reputable company? Read the supplement company's website. Are they transparent about sourcing? Are they using certified organic herbs? Call the customer support line. Find out if anyone even picks up. Ask them about the supplements. Ask them about the quality control that they have in place. A good place to start is asking them if all of the ingredients are responsibly sourced, if they're all organic, GMO-free, vegan-friendly, dairy-free, and soy-free. In addition to evaluating a reliable brand, read the label of each bottle. The nutritional information on a supplement label is typically divided into two sections. What we talked about earlier, the other ingredients, and then the active ingredients under the supplement facts panel. Active ingredients are what support your health. The other ingredients are the inactive parts of the supplement. And those can also include dyes and films and glues and anti-caking agents and all these other things that aren't really necessary. And not all of the other ingredients are bad, but a good rule of thumb is the fewer the better. So it's smart to get comfortable with the information on labels. It's very important to understand the serving size, the suggested use, the key ingredients, the percent daily value if you're taking a mineral or a vitamin supplement, and the other ingredients, as well as maybe some cautions, maybe some interactions with your pharmaceuticals if you're taking any. Hopefully you're not, but really looking at the benefits of the active ingredients as well. A lot of the supplements that you're going to purchase from drugstores or from cheap online stores or from grocery stores are going to contain synthetic nutrients. I don't even want to call them nutrients because a lot of times they're actually toxins to your body. So just because you might be able to find a cheap supplement brand, that doesn't mean that that calcium is going to be good for your body. For example, calcium carbonate can actually take calcium from your body. So it's very important to choose and to spend your money wisely on very efficient, nutrient-dense, bioavailable supplements. The ones that the body can actually use versus the nutrients that may be synthetic that actually harm the body. So just because you see an ingredient on the label doesn't mean you're going to benefit from it. Quality is always the biggest factor. It's better to just spend more for that quality to make sure that it's going to be absorbed and utilized by your body. So it's very important for you to do your own research. There are so many different supplement brands out there, so many different herbs out there, but once you secure the supplement you want to take, the story isn't over. It just brings us to the next category, which is the implementation or step 3 or the best practices on how long you need to take this, how you need to take it, should you increase the amount of your dosage every day, should you decrease it. It's basically you figuring out what you need, and everybody is different. So when it's time to actually take your supplement, it's important to follow the instructions completely. If you're taking the correct dosage, if you're taking it as directed, you can check with your natural health care provider. Maybe they want you taking a little bit more or a little bit less. So after taking the supplement, be on the lookout for any changes that happen in your body, or for that matter, changes that don't happen in your body. This will give you a good feel of if the supplement's working or not. Just pay attention to any signs. Are you getting a little bit more sleep at night? Or is your energy coming back up? All of these things will cue you in the right direction for if that supplement is working for you or not. The next stage is how you store your supplements. I personally recommend storing your supplements in a dark, cool, dry place, and kind of make sure that your supplements are not accessible to your children and your pets. Some vitamins last longer than others, so it's important to check the expiration dates regularly and be sure to avoid supplements past their prime or past their expiration date. Now, Global Healing uses the cutting edge science as far as nutraceuticals are concerned, as far as herbs are concerned, as far as our manufacturing processes are concerned. We use the highest quality ingredients to provide the best supplements on the market today. So check out our website to read all about our company and products to learn more. So with all this in mind, here's my number one secret. Listen to your body and cleanse your body on a regular basis. Keeping your body clean and listening to your body's symptoms will help you decide what supplements you may need. No supplement is a substitute for a healthy diet. A well-designed organic meal plan with a balanced approach to essential nutrients will do more good than all the pills, powders, tablets, capsules in the world. Supplements just fill that gap in the plan. And now for the free giveaway. If we can share great health information with each and every one of you, we are happy to do so. Click the link below and you're going to receive our free supplements guide that has all the information you need and also really great information to guide you on your health journey. As always, thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends who are also looking into trying supplements. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. Are there any supplements out there that you can't find? Well, let us know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, live happy and live healthy.